Hey all, it's day 18 in learning to code. In lesson 18, I learned more about infinite loops and how you can use infinite loops. One of the aspects of infinite loops that I find interesting is how you can create an infinite scroll, so to speak. So without the right breaks or even an exit to leave the program, you could just have something running forever. But using a programming language like Python, there has to be some purpose, right? And so that purpose really here is like, for instance, if you're trying to find something, if you're trying to find an address. So let's say you have millions of addresses. You're trying to find the correct address. So when you can put in a command to when it comes up with something like the address, and then it can show it to you in the console. So this is something similar to what we're seeing in this game that we did, where we were trying to pick a number. We're trying to guess a number. And so in Python, what we could do is then say, well, we're going to say you can pick a number between 1 and 1,000,000. And you start guessing numbers, and it tells you whether it's right or wrong, right or wrong, right or wrong. So you can see that in the code here. And finally, when you get it right, you get a little emoji happy sign. So that's just a little brief overview of what I learned in lesson 18. Hope you enjoy it.